This video is all about this little thing here. Apparently it's a little isolation valve to turn the water on and off for the dishwasher, which is down there. I don't get why they have it though, and I'm pretty sure we don't have these in England. Is it because Swedish dishwashers are prone to leaking or flooding or something, and so they need to turn these on and off each time before and after using the dishwasher? I have not got a clue, but it is just another one of those little Swedishisms that makes me laugh every time I see them. Bizarre!